guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Holy freaking cow! Holy cow! Today is officially my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. 10 years. Exactly 10 years ago today, I was sick from school and I decided to post my first makeup video ever. How was it that my little high school self made the best decision ever while she was literally sick with the flu? So I'm putting together 1 second of every video I've ever posted on YouTube, every vlog, every embarrassing video, every boyfriend tag. They haven't been public in like 9 years. Please be nice to me. I know it was a little rough at the beginning, but yeah, let's go ahead and see all this embarrassing footage that I don't really want to show you guys. Let's go.
My name is Tiffany. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. It's my birthday today. My outfit of the day is the Johnson by Johnson. Hey girls, it's me. Outfit of the day, put diamonds on. Show you how my hair looked. Today's video is gonna be eye makeup tutorial. 4th of July. Take care of my skin a lot. Buy a dry shampoo. This is just the look. Little braided thing. Best friend tag. Tuck that inside. Really quick outfit of the day. Taking this one right here. Waterline your bottom. There are my bangs. So I'm gonna use a black. For my shoes, how to hang your brushes up. My lips. They're on sale for 50. Put your presents inside. Ruler and a pen. Like that. Passion fruit and glove. Not for $8. College application. We're doing the boyfriend tag. Down your chin. Makeup artist, which is really working me out. I paired it with the, I did 25 of these. I did both of our makeup. The size of the shoe. Love this dress. My graduation. Blends it all over my skin. Bottom lashes. Slim down your cheeks. Our sister vlog. To Delancey. Alice in Wonderland. Purple cardigan. It's so comfortable. Fill it up all the way. Line it up. Add no soda. I just lip glosses. These are a little bit cuter. Pair it with stockings. Actually rushy. Leopard snuggie. And then voila. Another thing I got, being an inspired look. Deep repair mask. As comfy as possible. Cranberry by MAC. I'm wearing a Chinese symbol. First thing I have is my confidence, popping my pimples. Crease color. It's Valentine's Day. Prevent infection. Curling our hair. I want to go skydiving. A really nice design. Wearing the statement piece, a little study braid. We aren't twins. And dip it. Spray it all over. H&M small circle. We'll just flick up. Orange purse. Buy earrings for it. Halfway through your nail. Perfect for a date night. $500 on heat the wax. Inner thread. How cute my apartment. This is what it looks like. Color coordinated. On my new flosser. Where you had it on at a yellow dot. First day of school. Join a sorority or you can apply a pad or a tampon. Gigantic haul. I love this product. Grab them out. 2 braids. A room tour. I have a little and then curl it. Things I did buy. This is what a tampon looks like. Pairing this jacket with some. I love being comfortable. Yoga leggings. That's my cheat. Good workout. This pink dress. Very important for I flip the chicken and we'll get a bid. Finally got inside. Healthier tips with famous college sweater. I can wear it to work, to be a Catwoman business professional. And I got a couple of how you can save money. Excited! 1 tattoo. How to make these in all your little heart roses. Just right click it, surrounding the heart. This is our dining room. Is that real? Like, I love food. Really like that look. It's my birthday. A flower crown. Baby doll dress. I had a makeup artist. And voila. Neutral color, really. My crib. When I put them on, I think it looks so great. I am wearing my overalls. If I'm Asian, my bed is my bed. Don't know what back knee is. In a magazine rack. Pencil around the. And I bought some stuff for. Are you a directioner? And then we have a fringy and flowy to your headband. Perfect. I'll use my eraser. I have a whole sparkly dress on. Stream it on my phone. And of course I have to add. So the first one I went to for only $4. Ready to mingle. I have a cast on my nose. Purpley color. Good morning, everyone. It's always splitting. I have a little dance. Now that you're finished, next thing I got from Coachella, a birthday haul. Because they're one of my favorite that I do on YouTube. Dad's favorite snack. Love my Instagram feed. Edit channel art. Regular notebook. Hi, baby. Ripped in distress. Green bluish back. Donuts. Both sides of the hey tipster. So the first thing I got from just mash it up to make myself some coffee. Fell off the ladder. Can't see anything. I'm so nervous. And then I'm concealing 1 bag of candy. Cara Delevingne's, but I haven't heard anything. Blood and brains. I'm overdressed. Makeup and your sponge. Aw. And your cute little snow. On sale for $9. 2 bath bombs. Is that your tree? It's so pretty. I don't know how to start a fire.
This is your joint.
I think this is so cute. All you want to do is go. Are you kidding me? I grabbed some hummus. Felt fancy for a Santa sweater. Broke into my car. I beat him. I didn't have diarrhea. Scratched the car. If we die. Our last day in crazy neighbor. Thailand! This is what you see. Cute little soaps. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh my god, I love you. She kept elbowing me. We just took photos. Beautiful romper. We're gonna take a nap now. These two wall decor, pink wall. And taking pictures. I'm gonna go to the sauna. Tips giveaway. Happy Valentine's Day. Oil to your hair.
Let's give you an outer number.
I hot glue gunned the. I got Sephora. We're at the capital of Austin, so you can peel it off.
I feel like a goddess.
We're in the elevator. Tiger squid. Even have a credit card. So this next DIY is really cute, lacy.
That is so good. Being tourists. Coachella.
Eating this tub of ice cream, milk tea, the cockroach. At Final Cut Pro.
Guys, Johnny Depp.
Really want one.
Roll your clothes. Estee Lauder. This is so pretty.
Full supply section.
Pink orchids on it.
Gorgeous. I love you, 3.
So cool.
I'm gonna puke. Here to help me out.
Cool. Take Instagram pics. Keep doing. Painting mine pink.
Selena Gomez concert. Stuck in my teeth.
These are so comfortable.
You're so happy.
Weekly planners. So excited. All the boxes together.
Here's Adeline.
Yeah. He hit me. All of your extra pillows. I'm in love with this stuff. First day of school. Oh my goodness. A glue stick. Clean my room. So many walls to paint. Purple eyeshadow. Started packing a lot. Have it on this pimple. Hi. My bedroom. Totally works.
On the top.
My boyfriend, John.
I'm leaving the German.
Pinata costume. Hey, I'm sick. Really like this tank top.
These are the photos.
Get rid of hairs. Oh my gosh.
They're not drugs.
It's so soft. $25. Cute. Here's the holiday stuff. I'm so happy with it. 2 jeans. First project we're working. Vegetables. Got this jacket right. Actually want.
Out of the snow.
It's cute pics. Come on. I have fake Kylie here. Planned this entire week.
Why did she quit? Like in front of the present.
What I got for Christmas. Sadly, they kicked us out. Scalp massages. All over your face.
Underneath the eyelid.
The huge surprise. An ice cube. Fill those in.
Can we try one?
New rug. Clothing store. 50 orders. Whoa. Packing all of these. My name is Tiani. This is what, $100? Stacy, tell me everything. Yeah. Ooh. It's just you, boo. Update about Live and Jet. Rainbow grilled cheese. Yay. It won't turn on. You're gonna marry me. I'm excited. This is a Kylie's diary. So pretty. It's done.
Try not to buy anything else.
Try this out.
From Princess.
Not too bad.
In the first warehouse.
So good. That brown color. Last one. So cool. So cute. So cute.
Surprise!
Right?
God, I can't believe we're here.
These are so adorable. One notebook.
Getting Zoe today.
Do you see yourself packed already? Give her lots of love.
For sure. Oh!
Good girl. Tie around your waist. This is crazy. Tie-dyed backpack.
$32.
Oh my gosh. She literally escaped the It's like bright pink. Love this one. A coffee table. Bye, Zoe.
Bye.
Brad is so in for. Look how amazing. Implant inside. Here is the reality. Cute. A powder inside. This house, Ingham Red Dress.
Day 3 of house hunting.
Full of Lush products. Maybe I put too much. I'm gonna open up some presents. Everything I want for Christmas. What's in there?
And I just feel so dumb. Meet my mommy.
I'm living for this. Oh my god. It's been exactly a year. Cardboard tasting through all of my makeup.
$257.
Off the shoulder top.
Amazing trip ever.
I love these. That's cool. The roots of my hair.
Wearing a wedding dress.
That was a full-on goal.
That was so good.
Massaging my scalp like the giant plants. Eating the entire bag.
John and I aren't together.
I got a house.
Inspections today.
Just gonna propose. What should I wear today? So cute. There are so many options. This jacket.
I really want candy.
This is everything. Colorful pens. What I was going through. Close my eyes. See, we got everything. How to make small talk. No power. Are you kidding me? Saint Laurent. It was so shook.
We met on Hinge.
Oh my. So freaking cozy. I don't even recognize myself. Oh, this is so heavy. Beautiful. Are you kidding? Prettiest wrapping ever. Holiday decor. How cute is that? French bulldog. Actually true. A 1-star review. Just gonna keep it real. So nervous right now. So gross. The room. Holy cow. This is the final look. Wrote me a song. Appreciate all of you. I'm a homeowner.
Thank you.
It's so cute.  2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2 This is so cute. Started putting on clothes. College. Avoiding here. This looks really cute on it. And a loogie. Got scared.
So creepy.
He cheated on me. Like, that is so much money. So freaking cute. We got so much stuff. I purchased this house. So freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Do the insides. Favorite gummy candy. Got one for Christmas.
Wow.
A new decade.
Adding a little bit of color. Love how it turned out.
Who needs a man?
It's half a shape of a heart.
Whoa.